When you get our machine, you will get these accessories, water tank with the feet in it, and this is for the base structure, and the toolbox. You can put the tools into it, and water pump with the connector of pump. You can insert the pipe into it directly, and the power cable, calibrator, oiling tool for the block, ear cleat, tool bits, spare switch, and limit sensor. Fuse for the control box. Binding kits, we will offer 6 sets, and wrench, and the fastening clamping for the dust collector, and this is for the vacuum pump if you choose it. This is the dust collector. This is the vacuum pump.